for beginners. If you are just starting your swimming journey, do not worry, because in this tutorial, we will be teaching you the master technique of diving. Step 1, preparation. Before you enter the pool, you need to be prepared. So make sure you're wearing comfortable swimwear and goggles to protect your eyes underwater. Next, you should do some stretching so your muscles are ready to go underwater.
Wow!
Alright, step 1. First, learn the sitting down dive. So sit on the edge of the pool, put your arms together and your elbows behind your ears. Bend down and slowly let yourself into the pool. Make sure that you put your arms behind your ears and not in front, so your face doesn't slam on the water. Step 2, learn the kneeling dive. Put whichever foot you want, left or right. It depends on your comfort. Just try it out. Next, you should kick with your back foot and push with your front foot, like so. Step 3, learn the squatting dive. So, do the same thing as before, but lift your knee off the ground and drop. Make sure that you go in the water with your hands first, so that you go smooth and not belly flop. Now that you have mastered the squatting dive, now you can learn the standing dive. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial, and please stay swimming.